Port Station Alpha, a massive orbital trading hub where ships from across the galaxy come for repairs and refueling. Main character, Jack Miller, a 34-year-old human welder who has worked at the station for 8 years. He's known for his skill with difficult repairs and his ability to work with any alien metal dot opening scene. Jack arrives for his morning shift at Bay 7, the restricted section of the station where high-security vessels dock. His supervisor, Tom, assigns him to repair a strange black ship that arrived during the night shift. The ship's hull has unusual damage patterns that look almost like claw marks. The vessel is sleek and dark, about the size of a luxury yacht, but with technology Jack has never seen before. Strange symbols cover its surface, and the metal feels different under his tools, almost alive. The ship's owner, who calls himself Kane, watches nervously from the shadows. Kane appears human, but something feels off about him. His eyes are too bright, and he moves with an unnatural grace. The repair work. Jack begins welding the damaged sections. As his torch ignites, the sparks behave strangely, instead of falling. Normally, they dance in the air and seem to sink into the ship's metal. The damaged areas heal faster than they should, as if the ship is helping with its own repair. Strange observations. During the work, Jack notices that his standard human welding equipment is working far better than it should on this alien metal. Other alien repair crews have tried and failed to fix similar ships, but Jack's simple human torch cuts through problems they couldn't solve. Kane's reaction. The mysterious owner becomes increasingly agitated as he watches Jack work. He makes several encrypted calls in a language Jack doesn't recognize. Kane seems both amazed and terrified by how easily Jack is fixing his ship. The discovery. As Jack works on the final section, his welding sparks create a pattern on the ship's hull that wasn't there before. Ancient symbols that begin to glow with a soft blue light. The ship's computer systems suddenly activate, and Kane goes pale. Cliffhanger. Kane abruptly tells Jack to stop working and demands he forget everything. He's seen. As Jack packs up his tools, he notices that other ships in the restricted bay have similar symbol patterns, but they're dormant. Security guards begin approaching their position. Kane's true identity revealed. Kane is actually Emperor Vex of the Korthax Empire, one of the most powerful civilizations in the galaxy. He has been traveling in secret, studying human colonies and their mysterious abilities. The Imperial Fleet. The story reveals that the Korthax Empire has been watching humanity for decades. Their ships are built using technology reverse-engineered from ancient artifacts, but they've never been able to fully activate these systems. The ancient technology, the symbols that appeared on Vex's ship are from a long-dead race called the Builders, who created most of the advanced technology in the galaxy before mysteriously vanishing. No living race has been able to fully understand or replicate their work, except, apparently, humans. Jack's investigation. Despite Kane's warning, Jack becomes curious about what happened. He researches the symbols he saw and discovers they match patterns found in ancient ruins across the galaxy. He also learns that several human colonies have reported similar phenomena when their workers interact with certain alien technologies. The Empire's dilemma. Emperor Vex returns to his flagship and calls an emergency council. The Empire's top scientists and military leaders gather to discuss what they witnessed. They realize that humans might be the key to unlocking the full power of builder technology, which could shift the balance of power in the galaxy. Human colonies. Under threat, the council debates whether to capture human workers for experimentation, form an alliance with humanity, or eliminate the potential threat entirely. Some argue that humans are too primitive to be dangerous, while others worry about what might happen if humans fully understand their abilities. Jack's growing abilities. Meanwhile, Jack finds that his interaction with the Emperor's ship has changed him somehow. His welding work becomes even more precise, and he starts seeing patterns in metal and technology that he never noticed before. Other human workers report similar experiences after working on certain alien ships. The station's secret. Jack discovers that Port Station Alpha wasn't built randomly. It was constructed around a builder artifact that has been dormant for thousands of years. The station's human workers have been unknowingly interacting with this technology for years, which explains their unusual success with alien repairs. Cliffhanger. Imperial spy ships begin arriving at the station, and Jack realizes that humanity is about to become the center of a galactic conflict they don't even know exists. Asterisk. The Builder artifact activates. Jack's continued exposure to Builder technology causes the ancient artifact at the station's core to begin awakening. Strange energy readings spike throughout the station, and alien ships start experiencing unexpected power surges. Human workers unite. Jack contacts other human workers across the station and discovers they've all been experiencing similar changes. They form a secret group to investigate what's happening to them and why alien technology responds so strongly to their presence. The Emperor's gambit. Emperor Vex decides to return to the station with a small fleet, planning to capture key human workers before other empires learn about their abilities. He disguises his mission as a routine diplomatic visit. The Galactic Council's attention. News of unusual activity at Port Station Alpha reaches the Galactic Council, a loose alliance of alien civilizations that maintains peace in their region of space. They dispatch investigators to determine if humanity poses a threat to galactic stability. Jack's revelation. Through his research and growing connection to Builder technology, Jack discovers the truth. Humans are not just accidentally compatible with Builder tech. They are the descendants of the Builders themselves. Humanity is the lost heir to the galaxy's most advanced civilization, the Ancient War. Flashbacks reveal that the Builders didn't vanish. They were forced to flee their home galaxy during a devastating war with a mechanical race called the Devourers. A small group of Builders escaped to a distant spiral arm and slowly evolved into modern humans, losing their advanced knowledge over millions of years. The Devourer threat returns. The activation of Builder technology at the station sends a signal across the galaxy, alerting both allies and enemies to humanity's location. The Devourers, who have been searching for the remaining Builders for eons, begin mobilizing their fleets. Cliffhanger. As Emperor Vex's fleet approaches the station and the first Devourer scouts appear at the edge of the system, Jack must decide whether to embrace his heritage and risk exposing humanity to galactic warfare, or try to hide their abilities and leave the galaxy defenseless against the returning threat. Asterisk. The confrontation. Emperor Vex arrives at the station and demands to meet with Jack privately. Instead of capturing him, Vex reveals the full scope of the threat facing the galaxy and asks for humanity's help. The Devourer fleet. Long-range sensors detect a massive Devourer armada approaching from the galactic core. These mechanical beings have been systematically destroying civilizations for millions of years, and only Builder technology has ever been able to stop them. Jack's decision. Jack must choose between keeping humanity hidden and safe, or revealing their true nature to help defend the galaxy. He realizes that hiding is no longer an option. The Devourers will find Earth eventually. The Great Awakening. Jack and the other human workers use their newfound abilities to fully activate the Builder artifact at the station's core. The Ancient technology comes online for the first time in millions of years, transforming the station into a powerful fortress. Humanity's test. The activation of Builder technology on such a scale sends shockwaves through human colonies across the galaxy. Humans everywhere begin manifesting abilities they never knew they had, from intuitive understanding of advanced physics to the ability to interface directly with alien technology. The galactic response. News of humanity's true nature spreads rapidly through alien civilizations. Some species offer alliance and support, while others view humans as a threat to be eliminated before they become too powerful. The defense begins as the first Devourer ships enter the system. Jack and his team use the station's newfound capabilities to coordinate the defense. They discover they can enhance alien ships and weapons far beyond their normal capabilities. Cliffhanger. The battle begins as Devourer forces clash with the combined human-alien fleet, while Jack faces the ultimate test of his abilities and humanity, prepares to reclaim its birthright as the galaxy's guardians. Asterisk. The final battle. The climactic space battle between the Allied forces and the Devourer fleet showcases the full extent of human abilities when combined with builder technology. Jack coordinates the defense from the transformed station, which has become a powerful command center. Humanity's choice. As the battle rages, humanity must decide what role they want to play in the galaxy. They could use their power to dominate other species, retreat to isolation, or become the guardians their builder ancestors once were. The truth about the builders. The final revelation shows that the builders didn't just fight the Devourers. They created them as a tool of war that eventually turned against its makers. Humanity must avoid repeating their ancestors' mistakes. Jack's transformation. Jack fully embraces his role as a bridge between human intuition and builder technology, becoming the first of a new generation of human-builder hybrids who can interface directly with the ancient systems. The Emperor's respect. Emperor Vex acknowledges humanity as equals and offers a formal alliance between the Corfax Empire and Earth. The relationship between the species shifts from potential exploitation to mutual respect and cooperation. The new galactic order. With the Devourer threat neutralized and humanity's true nature revealed, the galaxy enters a new era. Humans take their place as the inheritors of builder technology, but choose to share their knowledge rather than hoard it. Jack's legacy. The story concludes with Jack returning to his simple life as a welder, but now his work involves teaching other species how to properly interface with builder technology. The skills he learned in a humble repair bay have become the foundation for a new age of galactic cooperation. Future. The final scene shows human colonies across the galaxy awakening to their heritage, with ordinary people like Jack becoming the bridge between humanity's simple wisdom and the universe's most advanced technology. Earth prepares to take its place among the stars, not as conquerors, but as the guardians the galaxy has been waiting for. Epilogue. Years later, Jack's repair bay has become a training center where humans and aliens work together to understand builder technology. The welding sparks that once revealed a hidden truth now light the way to a brighter future for all species in the galaxy.